What's up, Drinkstuff fans? I'm Steve the Barman. In today's video, I'm hopefully going to give you some inspiration around another new product to Drinkstuff. This, again, is ODK, and this is another hot drink, and this is their Chai Spiced. Now, this is going to be quite a funny video for me because I have never, ever had chai spiced tea before in my life, so I've got absolutely no idea how this is going to taste, whether I'm going to like it or not. Absolutely no idea at all. So I'm just going to kind of make one up and then kind of go have a little riff. I've got some little tasting glasses here and have a little riff to see what kind of alcoholic boozy, see if we can make it boozy, because that's what I'm all about. But I'll get into the product a little bit. Obviously, as I did this one a couple of videos ago now, this is ODK's hot chocolate. This is their Chai Spiced. This is flavoured with, I've got it written down here. So we've got featured tea extract, and then we've got ginger, cinnamon, and lemongrass, cardamom, and cloves. Now, I'm a big spiced rum fan, and I love all those kind of little flavours in spiced rum. So hopefully I kind of should like this. Now, with the hot chocolate video, this one, this I got told by ODK that this was kind of 100% vegan and dairy free as well. So hence I kind of did a few hot drinks using these. This sort of the Alpros, the hazelnuts, the almonds, the coconut. They kind of work well. So we could kind of make vegan friendly hot chocolates with that. However, with this one, we can't really. You could use those by all means, but this has got eggs. I've just seen it on the back here. May contain nuts, eggs, soya, and milk. So I haven't heated any of these up at the moment, so to play around with. But I've got a funny feeling something. If you just prefer, if you like me and you can't handle your dairy too much, then the almond, I've got a funny feeling might be the best one out of the bunch there. But what I've got some piping hot semi-skimmed milk here, ready to go. So I'm going to make one up. I'm going to show you. I've got a few more glasses here from Drinkstuff that they've sent me through. Hot chocolate. Because in the last video I did, we kind of used these ones, and these are kind of like the standard sort of hot drink glasses that you can get. It's nothing special, but this was the delivery I was waiting for, and these came direct from Utopia, I think it was, and I'll link to the glasses in there. But I really love these. These are proper. I've seen kind of these ones before, but I love these for hot drink glasses. These are really cool, really stand out, pubs, bars, or home entertaining. So I'm going to make one up. Probably I might make two up. I've got enough milk there for two. But I'm just going to pour. I'm going to have a little taste, and I'm going to pour them into there. We're going to have a little bit of fun with some booze as well. So let's lose my Chai Spiced virginity. Let's kind of open this up. I cut my nails this morning, so that might... There we go. We've got it. That might not be brilliant. So... Oh, no spoon in here. God, the smell. Oh, that smell is amazing. The cinnamon, cloves. I do actually get a little bit of lemongrass on there as well. What else was in there? Cinnamon, lemongrass. I'm not really getting the ginger. Oh, but that smells properly up my street. All right, so bar spoon. We had a little spoon in the last one to tell us how much to use. I'm not kind of sure. Let's just wing it. Let's just wing it. I'm gonna go. Oh, here we go. Mix 30. This would be the easiest way to go, wouldn't it? This would be 10 times easier. Right, let's... this, if I remember rightly, was 30. Right, let's use that. There we go. Right. Now we're cooking on gas. Let's just wipe this out. Get rid of all that hot chocolate. So, I want... Put that to one side. I want a sort of a level scoop, 30 ml. And I'm gonna pour it in this one here. There we go. Right. Let's do this. So let's put this over here. Now, I'm gonna pour this over here because my jug. I need to get some more jugs for this. My jug has got espresso in it, so I'm gonna cause a mess. Of course I am. Right. Let's do this. There we go. Right. Pop that there. Just give that a little stir for a second. What was it? About 150 ml of milk. Oh, we're not too far off that now. Right. So This is my first ever taste of Chai Spiced. Ooh. Wow, that's amazing. I absolutely love that. That's kind of, the spices are very subtle. Obviously, it's kind of milk coming through, but it's definitely a healthy bit of nutmeg in there, healthy bit of cloves. The cinnamon, I really cool. That for me is like a perfect nighttime. You know, when you'd have Ovaltine or Horlicks or something like that. That is perfect. Do you know what? I could guzzle that so easily. I'm going to demolish that. This is quite possibly my favourite kind of hot drink that I've ever had. Right, what I'm going to do, because that's going to be a damn sight easier to pour, that is, I need to get myself more jugs. I need to raid Drinkstuff for more jugs. That's what I need to do. Right, I like my Cornish blue. Right, I'm going to add another couple of scoops to this. There we go. I'm going to fill this glass up. And then we're going to have a little play, just to see what boozy kind of stuff goes really well with this. So I want a bit more milk. I'm going to fill that up. There we go, look. See, now that we've emptied it, it pours better. No mess. I'm the world's messiest barman now. So, right, let's just stir this up. First up, the very first thing I'm thinking here, let's just, yeah. Oh, that's so good. Right, there's a few things here. I've got plenty of tasting glasses. And my OCD is going to kick in, so I might have to make sure that I get the same ones. That'll do. Right, the first thing, I'm going to go brandy. I'm going to go a little glug of brandy, and I'll be very scientific here. I'll do it in the what's the word? What's the word I'm looking for? In the interest of its science, that's what I'm going to go. I'm going to go 15 ml of brandy, just in my little tasting glass there. Doesn't matter what brandy this is. I'm going to do some videos about this on my channel, but that's a really lovely brandy that I'm doing at the moment. So, right, cool. Look at that without spilling. So, first one is a brandy chai. Oh, happy days, barman, happy days. Oh, that's so good. That's amazing. Right, the second one I kind of wanted to go to, and I think this could work well. I haven't actually got any Frangelico. I was actually thinking hazelnut as well, but this is kind of an almond liqueur. It's amaretto. Everyone, you know what amaretto is, don't you? Disaronno. So again, I'm going 15 ml of Disaronno in there, and this will obviously be slightly sweeter than the brandy. So I've got some Disaronno here. Again. Right, so Disaronno. Oh my God! I can't believe it's taken me 43 years to find this. This is absolutely stunning. Big fan of that. Right, the other one I was going to do was kind of a nice spiced run. I'm actually going to use some Dead Man's Fingers, because it's kind of a lovely, it's not overly sweet, but it has got a little bit of sweetness to it. So, some spiced rum. You could do Captain Morgan's. Captain Morgan's would have been a, sorry, I just looked at the dark rum there. You could do Spice Gold. That'd be fine. Right, let's save enough for one more. Right, so this is some spiced rum. Oh, again. Or, do you know what? Over the brandy. No, I prefer brandy. I'm a big brandy fan anyway. I prefer the brandy. I might actually have to make some more of this up and boil some more milk, because there are a few other kind of things. I've got one Have I got enough there for 2? Have I got another glass? Where's my glass? Here it is. There it is. Yes, that'll do. Right, I'm going to see if I can stretch it a little bit. There's 2 that I really wanted to do. One was Liquor 43. And the other, we come this side, is King's Ginger. So a ginger liqueur. For those of you who don't know, Liquor 43 is kind of it's 43 herbs and spices, but an out and out kind of vanilla liqueur. We would use it as vanilla liqueur. And then I've got King's Ginger. So I'm not sure whether I've kind of got enough there. Hopefully I have. Right, let's just do 15ml of vanilla. So Liquor 43. Let's just go a little bit. I think there's going to be no end of things that you could possibly do this to make boozy hot drinks. And King's Ginger. And as I say, play about with these Alpro milks as well. I think that almond milk's going to work in there. As I say, it won't make it vegan because there's eggs and stuff in there. It's not dairy free or anything like that. But purely for dairy, as I say, you know. Right, let's just, have I got enough? I think I've got enough. Yeah, look at that. Right, a little bit left in the bottom there. Right. That is absolutely amazing. I didn't give you the price on this. Hang on, where is it? Price is just under £20, 19.99, 20 quid divided by 33. There you go. I should have done the maths on that before I started. Right, last 2 drinks. Oh, vanilla. Oh my God, it's so good. And the ginger. Oh, wow. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I'm possibly going to do even more videos with this. As I say, I'm completely novice to that. I've never had it. Do you even serve that chai spiced with marshmallows and stuff? I don't know. I've never asked for it in Costa, in Starbucks, in coffee shops. I have no idea how you would generally serve chai spiced apart from like that with milk. But there's so much fun you could have with that. I think, oh, that's got to be the new hot chocolate. Oh my God. I think my favourites, my out and out favourite, is possibly the Disaronno. But do you know what? The Brandy, I haven't even done whiskey. The Brandy, the spiced rum. What was this one? I've forgotten already. Which way around? This was Liquor 43. Just purely for the little extra sweetness. First, the Disaronno. Second for the Liquor 43. But they are all amazing. I tell you what, this time of year, we've just hit what I class as winter. 1st of December is winter in my book. So what astrological, what they class the 21st of December. For me, we are in winter. December, January, February. This is when all the winter drinks come out, the mulled wines and things like this. Honestly, I cannot recommend. This has just completely opened up my eyes. As I say, never ever tasted it, had it before, never even ordered or looked at Chai Spiced. No ideas, but this is super delicious. Links below in the show descriptions. And again, for these, I didn't even use it, but these like lovely hot glasses to pimp it up again. And if you've got I tell you what, if you love your Chai Spiced, put in the description below, let me know your kind of recipes, how you would serve it, how you would finish it. I'm guessing you wouldn't do squirty cream on top of that like you would do a hot chocolate, but who knows? Let me know in the comments below if you've loved this, if you've loved me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in the very next video.